Aimee Lou Wood, a woman best known for surviving the chaos of sex education and dying dramatically in The White Lotus, has officially been spotted doing what every British celebrity fears most, showing public affection within camera range. Scandalous. Yes, folks, she was caught in the wild, locking lips and sipping lattes with her film club co-star, Adam Long. That's right, from on-screen boyfriend to possibly real-life boyfriend, Adam may have just upgraded his IMDb page to include public cuddler. The two were seen getting cozy in London, which raises many questions. Like, is PDA part of the script? Was this a press tour disguised as a coffee date? And how many paparazzi does it take to ruin brunch? Aimee rocked the double denim look like a Canadian tuxedo queen, while Adam went full, I just came from a soft indie band rehearsal with his Levi's tee and cargo shorts. Chic? Bold? Confusing? Yes. Meanwhile, reps for the duo remain silent, which in Hollywood speak means yes, they're totally together but don't want to admit it yet. Oh, and remember that rumored feud between Aimee and her White Lotus co-star Walton Goggins? Turns out there's absolutely nothing to it, except one dramatic Instagram unfollow and several million fan theories. So what's really going on with Aimee, Adam, and possibly the ghost of Chelsea from The White Lotus? Grab your popcorn and your denim vest, because we're diving into the full story, PDA, plot twists, and awkward coffee dates included. Let's get into it. Looks like Aimee Lou Wood has a new love in her life. The White Lotus alum was spotted packing on the PDA over the weekend with her film club co-star Adam Long in photos obtained by the Daily Mail Tuesday. The duo locked lips during a cozy cafe outing in London on Saturday. In addition to being caught kissing on camera, the actors affectionately cuddled up to each other while sitting outside a coffee shop. Wood, 31, wrapped her arms around Long, 34, and he draped an arm over her leg. The sex education alum doubled up on denim for the apparent date, pairing a vest with a pair of jeans and completing her look with black sunglasses and red ballet flats. As for Long, he sported a Levi's tee, cargo shorts, and white sneakers. Reps for Wood and Long did not immediately respond to Page 6 requests for comment. Long is best known for his role as Lewis Whitby on Season 1 of Happy Valley. Ian would play love interest in the upcoming Film Club series, with Long cast as Wood's character Evie's boyfriend, Josh. The show, which is Wood's screenwriting debut, has wrapped filming in Manchester, according to BBC. It is set to premiere later this year. While Wood has starred in sex education and daddy issues over the years, she made major headlines for her role as Chelsea on Season 3 of The White Lotus. Not only did her character's death shake up viewers, but she sparked feud rumors off-screen with co-star Walton Goggins, who played her character's partner, Rick. Goggins, 53, went viral for unfollowing Wood in April but set the record straight in a Variety interview last week. I love this woman madly, and she is so important to me, the Emmy nominee insisted last week after previously shutting down another reporter for asking about her. She is love, and I know that I am that to her. We care about each other very deeply. He noted that his social media move was not shady but instead a means of saying goodbye to Rick and Chelsea. Wood, for her part, agreed that there is absolutely nothing to the rampant feud speculation, and there you have it, Aimee Lou Wood seems to have found romance both on and off the screen. From steamy scenes in Film Club to a cozy London cafe date with her co-star Adam Long, it looks like their chemistry isn't just acting. Whether it's the arm-over-leg cuddle or the sweet kiss caught on camera, these two definitely aren't shy about showing their connection. What do you think about Aimee Lou Wood and Adam Long's real-life romance? Do you think their off-screen chemistry will make Film Club even more compelling? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.